Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be how to fry chicken. Not only how to fry chicken, but how to fry mustard fried chicken. And I have some drumsticks here and some chicken strips here. And here are the ingredients that I'll be using for this recipe. Salt, black pepper, my personal season, Louisiana hot sauce, and yellow mustard. If y'all like to see this full video, please stay tuned. And if you're new to the channel and you've seen this, please subscribe to the channel. And once you do that, click the bell, set post notifications to all, like and comment on the video. Let's get into this video. Okay, crew, so I'm gonna start with some salt. And black pepper. Then my personal season. And we're gonna get us some mix. Also in the comment section, let us know how y'all doing. And this is only the first layer of seasoning that I'm gonna apply. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with hot sauce. How to fry chicken. Pop's way. And y'all, if y'all try some of the recipes that I do, please let us know. Always tell us in the comment section below, or you can email us at cookingwiththeabrams@gmail.com and let us know what you think about the recipes. Just don't email us nothing crazy. So I'm gonna go in with the mustard. Oop. It wanna explode on me. And a little bit more hot sauce. We're gonna give this a mix. This is my take on how to fry mustard fried chicken. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Okay, so there we have it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back in with some more seasoning. This is the second layer of seasoning that we're gonna put on our chicken. And I'm not gonna go back in with any more salt because of the tanginess from the mustard and the tanginess from the hot sauce. So I only went back in with my personal season and a little bit more pepper. So I'm gonna let this marinate on top of the countertop 15-20 minutes before I fry it. Alright, cool. So the same seasoning we put on our chicken, we're gonna put in our and our flour. So have black pepper here. Oh, a little salt. And my all-purpose seasoning. And that's gonna be our flour seasoning. Alright, crew, so we have our seasoned flour here and our chicken that we seasoned with my personal seasoned salt, black pepper, hot sauce, and mustard. And I let it marinate for about 20 minutes on the countertop. And I have the grease warming up at, the grease is at 350 degrees. So I'm showing y'all how I fry my mustard fried chicken. Or you don't have to add the mustard, and it can just be how you fry regular chicken. So we're gonna shake off any excess that's on our chicken, and we're gonna put it in our grease. And I'm gonna let this cook between 5 to 7 minutes. And it don't take long because they're like super thin. They're not very big. Let's take a look at the chicken. Look at that golden brown deliciousness. Alright, so our chicken been in there for 7 minutes. We're going to pull it up. Well, actually 5, y'all. Please forgive me. Check out that. I'm going to give y'all a close-up 1 second. We're gonna drop our drumsticks in there. Okay, crew, I hope y'all enjoyed my take on how to fry mustard fried chicken. Also, please don't forget to like the video and comment your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you're new to the channel and seeing this, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, set post notifications to all, like the videos, and comment on the videos, and share them if you can. And y'all already know the saying, pops out. Peace.